add one, and now I can use the insert function. So one thing I would like to discuss is the placement of elements in a list. So if you look at the list, generally you would think that this is element 1, this is element 2, and this is element 3. But that's actually not the case. So what the Python programming language actually considers the first element in the list as element 0. So if I annotate, this element will be known as element 0, this element will be known as element 1, and this element will be known as element 2. So there's actually 3 elements in this list. So this is one very important thing to know, that Python actually recognizes and sorts the element starting from 0. So 0, 1, and then 2. All right. Okay. So wait, let me just remove this. All right. Now we know. So now we know that Apple is at element 0, is at the number 0. So what I can do, I can tell the computer my list dot insert, and for example, let's say I want to insert an element where kiwi is. So I want to insert an element at the middle, at this place. All right. So what I can do is I will tell the computer to insert an element at element 1, at position 1. So what this will do, it will add a element between apple and kiwi. It will not replace kiwi, but it will add an element where kiwi was and then move the position of kiwi forward. So to make this make more sense, I can just show you an example. So we know that the position of kiwi is at element 1, and then I want to insert, for example, let's say mango, and then I tell the computer, all right, yeah, and then I tell the computer to print my list, my list. All right, that's exactly how it's done here. And yeah, one syntax I like to discuss is the index number should always come first. So I cannot put mango over here. All right, I need to put the index number over here. And the other thing is that the element that the data type or the element we want to place at this number is going to be the second argument to the function. Arguments are basically a data or like information they provide to the function to do its task. So now if we run this, boom, you see where kiwi was, now there's mango. So the kiwi was over here, right? After apple.